Do you want to speak English confidently every morning?
Yes, I do.
What if I told you that just 10 minutes a day can change your English forever?
Really? That sounds amazing.
Welcome to BBC English Online. Today, we will practice 100 daily morning routine sentences. Speak with me. Repeat after me. Use the shadowing method.
Okay. I'm ready.
Great. Let's begin. Speak loudly and clearly. I wake up early in the morning.
I wake up early in the morning.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
My alarm rings at 6 a.m.
My alarm rings at 6 a.m.
I turn off the alarm.
I turn off the alarm.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I stretch my body.
I stretch my body.
I open the window.
I open the window.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
I read the news.
I read the news.
I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I use shampoo.
I use shampoo.
I dry my hair.
I dry my hair.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I shave my face.
I shave my face.
I put on deodorant.
I put on deodorant.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I choose my clothes.
I choose my clothes.
I put on my shirt.
I put on my shirt.
I put on my pants.
I put on my pants.
I wear my shoes.
I wear my shoes.
I look in the mirror.
I look in the mirror.
I feel fresh and ready.
I feel fresh and ready.
I go to the kitchen.
I go to the kitchen.
I make breakfast.
I make breakfast.
I make a cup of coffee.
I make a cup of coffee.
I boil some eggs.
I boil some eggs.
I toast some bread.
I toast some bread.
I eat breakfast with my family.
I eat breakfast with my family.
Breakfast is important.
Breakfast is important.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink a glass of water.
I clean the table.
I clean the table.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I pack my bag.
I pack my bag.
I check my schedule.
I check my schedule.
I get ready for work.
I get ready for work.
I get ready for school.
I get ready for school.
I say goodbye to my family.
I say goodbye to my family.
I leave the house.
I leave the house.
I lock the door.
I lock the door.
I wait for the bus.
I wait for the bus.
I drive to work.
I drive to work.
The traffic is heavy.
The traffic is heavy.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
I arrive on time.
I arrive on time.
Today is a new day.
Today is a new day.
I feel happy today.
I feel happy today.
I am grateful for my life.
I am grateful for my life.
I will do my best today.
I will do my best today.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
I can speak English confidently.
I can speak English confidently.
I improve every day.
I improve every day.
Practice makes me better.
Practice makes me better.
I never give up.
I never give up.
I enjoy learning English.
I enjoy learning English.
Great job today. You just practiced 100 daily morning routine sentences.
I feel more confident now.
Practice this video every day for 7 days. Shadow me. Copy my pronunciation. Speak clearly.
I will practice every day.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BBC English Online. See you in the next lesson.
See you next time. Bye.